Hey, this is a quick survey just to show you how to go about using PollDaddy. First thing you need to do is just log yourself into polldaddy.com and create yourself a new username and give yourself a password, that kind of stuff. Once you've done that, go to the dashboard and you'll see from here that you can create a new survey. So just click the new survey option, click create there, and give it a name. So it could be the name of your magazine. So say my magazine might be called Smash Hits Design Poll. Okay, so then what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a custom start message in there. I'm going to say, I am designing a magazine for my A2 media project. Can you please give me some feedback? Okay, just something nice so that when you send your stuff off to all your friends, that they're going to feel obliged to give you some help. I'll probably include the progress indicator, and I'll probably give them a back button, and I would allow multiple responses as well. So once you've done that, press Save Settings, and you can see here is my Smash Hits design poll, and here we can use the question editor to create our questions. The first thing I'd probably do is just drag in a page header, like so. Okay, so the page header, we just put in the title of the page. Okay, so I'll put in option A to start off with. Now the beauty of PollDaddy is that we can upload images. So if you click the little media thing here, and then we can just choose file. So I've just got here version A of my magazine. Okay, so this is something I created in InDesign and exported as a JPEG earlier on. Okay, so if you choose that, then upload it. And sometimes it comes up with this stuff here. You just need to press return and just give yourself another page header. Okay, another page header, just drag one in. Well, takes a bit of getting used to. So I'm just going to call this option B, and I'm going to put some media in. And again, I'm just going to choose my version B JPEG that I created. So there it is. I'll choose that, and I'm going to upload it, and hopefully that will do the trick. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so then what you should see is that we might just need to edit this top one up actually. It looks as if it's all in there. Just press done. Hopefully that should, there's option A. So there's your two magazines. Okay. Now, what you can then do after that is maybe just sling in another page header on top of that and just say something like, please could you spend 5 minutes looking at the following magazine layouts. Okay, so once you've done that, it's done. Obviously you could give it a nice page header and all that kind of stuff. And then once you've done that, just press Save Questions. Go back to your question editor. And you could just pop in another page. Add page. Okay, and then you can begin to build your questions. Okay, so you might kind of go, one of your questions might be, which of the two products did you like in terms of imagery? That could be a good question. And then you've got option 1 could be product A, option 2 could be product B. What's probably a good idea is to include a user comment section at the end. And that just automatically puts, please help us understand why you selected this answer. So then you can just build up your questions. Okay, so just sling in another multiple choice question here. And it might be something like, please tell us which colour scheme you enjoyed Okay, and again, you can just put in option A and option B. And again, I'll just include user comments. So try and do that. Try and build up your questions so you have about 4 or 5, maybe even 6, 7 questions. I don't know how many things you've tested out in your mock-up. Then once you've done that, you can then go to this little option at the top and call Collect Responses. If you press Collect Responses, and then you can post your survey onto Facebook by, you can use the Pull Daddy Facebook app, or you can post your survey onto Twitter, or indeed you could have just put in the website there, so it'll have the poll there, or indeed you could email people, so you could then choose your email recipients. Okay, and then you can add recipients and so on and so forth. Okay, and then you can send your email off and what have you. That's probably going to take you a good couple of lessons to sort out. Good luck with that. The lovely thing about that is that once you've done it, you can go to View Results, and it will then generate some nice results that you can print or export or apply and filter and that kind of thing. Good luck with that. Bye-bye.